Coming to the static and dynamic systems. In static system, a system is called static or are memoryless static or memoryless if its output at any instant depends on the input at that instant. But not depends on the past and future values of input. This is the static or memoryless system. Otherwise, the system is said to be dynamic system. Or memory system. Example: y of t equal to x square of t is a static system. Y of t equal to x of t minus 1 is a dynamic system. Coming to the causal and non-causal system. Causal and non-causal system. Causal and non-causal system. This is very, very important. Causal and non-causal system. In a causal system, at any time t depends on present and past inputs, but not depends on future inputs. This is called a causal signal. Causal system. The system is also known as non-anticipative system. Coming to the non-causal system, a non-causal system at any time t depends on future input values. This is called a non-causal system. Examples: y of t equal to x of t plus x of t minus 1. Causal system. Y of t equal to x of t plus 1 x square of t. Non-causal system.